Hey, it's Acoustic Paint. I'm Elizabeth, and today I'm going to be decorating a couple more of my sketchbooks with Mod Podge. So, this is my second attempt at trying Mod Podge on my sketchbooks. If you want to see my last video where I decorated one of my sketchbooks, you can click the card to check that out. But today it's going to be a little bit different, because instead of using book pages, I'm going to be using old swatch sheets. As you can see, I've used these for colored pencils and alcohol-based markers, and they're just a mess, but they also look really cool. So what I'm going to do is either cover the entire front cover of the sketchbooks or just kind of cover a few parts. I still haven't decided. I think I'm going to go for this one first. This is the sketchbook where I do all my videos in, and I don't want to use my normal sketchbook. This one was the sketchbook I used to take with me for travel, but I don't take it with me much anymore, and I just want to do something with it. Let's pour some Mod Podge into this old guacamole container and see what happens. Okay, so what I recall from last time is that you do kind of a layer of Mod Podge where you want the paper to go, put all the paper on it, wait for it to dry, and then put a second coat on. I read on the internet that putting the coat on too early is what causes the rippling, which is what happened to my sketchbook last time. And I think I've decided I'm just gonna cover this one today, not this one over here, because I don't have enough paper. So I think what I want to do is just kind of like that. I like the idea of that. I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna start with the paper on the bottom first, just because it's a thinner paper. This is my Canson mixed media paper, and this is just regular printer paper. I guess I'll just start applying it with this so I don't waste any. Oh my gosh, that's so much. I don't think I'm gonna need that much. This is a disaster. Hope for the best. I thought I would try and be clever and get two different shots of what I'm doing, but I accidentally took down my tripod, like my overhead tripod, and now my hands are covered in Mod Podge, so I can't put it back, and I only have one camera. So this, I imagine, is kind of boring. You know, I realized I should have taken that opportunity while the first layer was drying, just to resituate my tripod. Not only is this adventures in Mod Podge, it's also adventures in trying to be cool and having a two-angled shot. This one, what side should I do? This side? I like this side, I think. Forfeit all those pink colors and just go for the blue. This might be a little harder to stick on because it's thicker paper, but we'll just see. Alright, there we go. I got the camera situated while I'm waiting for this first layer to dry. I think I've got a little bit too much Mod Podge in this bowl. Ugh, this bottom layer is rippling again. No! I realize I'm repeating my exact same mistake that I was trying not to repeat from last time, but I mean, the rippling doesn't make it look terrible, so I'm just, I might have spoken too soon. This does not look great. I'm gonna step away, wait for this to dry, and we will come back and add a second layer. Okay, so the first layer is done. As you can see, there's quite a bit of rippling going on, and I don't know why. Maybe it's because I did the second layer again too early, but I feel like I didn't, so I don't know what the deal is. We're gonna add our next layer of Mod Podge and then let this dry, and then I think we'll be good to go, actually. This didn't require as much work as the other one, just a little bit more waiting. Okay, so the second coat is dry. I don't know how to feel about this one. As you can see, there's a big ripple right along the edge there, and it didn't completely come off on the edge. The pattern, I really do like the pattern a lot. I think it looks cool, and I think it's a good repurpose of my swatch pages instead of just throwing them away. Use them for my sketchbook. I still have a few over here, a few swatch pages, but they're not as colorful as the others, so I decided not to use them. Maybe I'll use them in the future video, but I don't know. I still have a lot of Mod Podge left. I'd say about half a can, so there most likely will be a part 3 in the adventures of Mod Podge. So, if you have any ideas on what I should do with it, be sure to leave that in the comment section down below. But that is all for this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Be sure to click that subscribe button and notification bell so you're alerted every time we post a new video. Share this video with someone if you think they'll like it, and that's all. Thank you so much for watching, and have a fabulous day. Bye!